everyone, welcome back to another video with Leo and Lulu. We are right now driving on an RC car with a GoPro Hero 9 Black. And basically, we are right now driving.
Turned off. The GoPro turned off.
No, it's alright, still can't see, just tap the screen.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can. Bro, what the? Why is? Hey, yo, you're upside down. Hey, alright, you know the viewers are watching. Alright, let's just. Oh shoot!
I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom.
This is Lulu, guys. This is
I'm
Lulu.
in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. I'm in my mom's car.
Oh.
The GoPro.
No, sorry.
I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom.
Oh yeah, that's me. And this is my entire room. This is my entire room. I don't know why my nickname's right up there. I just don't know. My parents just like the name.
Whoa.
And we crashed successfully. So basically, you guys see that? Here, let me zoom in.
Alright, the viewers wanted to see it explode.
Oh, sorry guys. Hold on. You can't make it explode. Or else then it'll break. Alright.
What will break?
The GoPro.
Bro, we did it before, remember?
Yeah, I said remember then the GoPro fell off.
Yeah, it did not break though.
I know, except the one that falls off. We're gonna have to.
Please!
Wait,
That's what the viewers really want to see. Bro,
Alright.
I played this whole thing, you said sure, and now we're like, now we don't know what to do.
Alright,
You're like, no.
Now, sorry viewers. Hold on guys, here right now. Try to zoom out. I think I might have to restart. Yo, that was Mile. Oh, what the hell?
What's that? Oh!
I can't zoom out. Alright, looks like we're gonna have to. Alright guys, right now I'm starting to do the jump. Mine's right now in the safety crew. Alright, we're jumping. And and now we're upside down. Maya, I told you.
The GoPro did not fall off.
I know, it's because I added another. Oh shoot! Don't make it fall off the stairs. Maya, stay right there and make sure it doesn't fall off. Ooh. Alright.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Alright, don't do anything with the tablets. Oh my god, it's just.
Alright guys, I just zoomed out. Alright, now we are, I don't think
Okay,
we have
guys,
to
watch
rotate.
me.
Alright guys, so right now it's, oh my god, it fell, Maya. Yo, we're going like so fast and we got like taller.
You're about to crash into me.
Why? Alright. This is like my PC, guys. This is apparently my PC. Oh. What?
There we go. Something happened, Alan.
Well, hold on, love. Hold on. Sorry. Alright, everyone, sorry. Wi-Fi system right there. That is my sister. Hey, what the? Walrus! Ah! Oh, sorry.
You would have crashed into me and literally almost broke my fingers.
Bro. Oh, no! I crashed. Bro. Bro, you literally made me push. Hey, no, not the seal.
Bro, stop crashing.
I don't know, this thing's too fast.
It's karma.
Oh, shoot. We are getting so confused. I know. And what is that? Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, let's go again. Oh, shoot. Oh, Meow. Sorry, I'm here. Grassy too much. Oh, what? Oh, shoot. No, not like that. Alright. Alright, there. No more doing that. Oh, shoot! What did you? Hey, it's a bus! Maya, come, wait. Maya, wait, come look, Maya, come look. Maya, I'm at Lulu, look, the bus. Bro, there's a bus. I'm jumping. Never mind. Hey, bro, I saw your feet. Bro, I just saw you running. Oh, jump! Oh my god!
We're gonna get so much views.
Yay! Alright, guys, we are right now upside down. Oh, sorry, guys. We are doing donuts right now. You boom! I'm not even making donuts. Going forward. Alright, guys, we are doing donuts. Oh, what the?
Just explode it. Explode it.
Alright, guys, we're done. I know we did it back. Why backwards? Alright.
Alright, make it explode.
Oh, no. Alright, fine. Everyone, get in the safety room. Close all doors. Yo! It landed! Alright, guys, now stop, wait, stop. Alright, guys, now we're gonna put the camera on the back of the RC car. So we're not gonna be like going backwards or anything like that. We're just gonna be like, we're just gonna show you like what's happening behind us. So basically, yeah, there.
Close the door.
Alright, never mind. We can't. That's a bad idea. Alright. Back to going to the car.
Don't break away.
Alright, guys, we are now going.
Now close the door.
Ooh, skirt! Oh, yeah. I'm coming for you, Johnny!